Okay, here are all the quick connect wheel sections parts prior to welding. Motor with hub. That's the middle plate, front plate shaft.
You're ready? We need to tie the bolts and then tie the other bolts, put it all together in place, tack it, make sure that are well aligned and welding it one side a little bit, another side a little bit for not having too much tension on the places. Let's see, I think it's all.
We've got 4 new ones to make and then 3 old ones to retrofit with the double chain coupler here. So that's the system, the double chain, and the way it looks is a sprocket, 14 tooth, then the hub sprocket. It's 1.5 inches space between the sprocket and the face. That's 1.5 inches. And this is bound with a chain. The chain looks like this. So you've got these chains here. Each one of them is 15 inches long. So one of these chains that goes on 15 inches, and then there's a pin that binds them together. These are good for 30,000 inch-pounds of force. That goes right on a sprocket.